Hi everybody, welcome back. It's been a while since I've seen you. I've been doing some non-pottery things up to now. I had a bad leak on the roof and I've had to refelt it all and work on that, so I've been doing that. Did a big show the other day, that was good, first show of the year, so that went well. So bit of a rundown on the studio. It's been got a bit messy, and then a bit of throwing, so there you go. I'm back.
Okay, I've not been making any pots lately. I've had other things to do. I've done a show, and then the roof leaked again, so I've had to re-roof the studio. So that's finished now, but that has left quite a mess because I do work very messily. So there's stuff all over, stuff been moved out. I had to get through the door there, so everything had to come away from the door. There's what's left of the wood I used to build the new stand for the show. And so there's stuff everywhere. So this morning there's going to be a question of tidying up. Here's the damage to the roof. Oh, it was all leaked inside here, right the way along this wall. The seal had gone, so I've had to expose all this. That's drying out now. It's nearly all dry. There's a big bow in the ceiling there, you can see. So all this has got to come out. That's a winter job. I had to get the roof. Yes, it's right, that's right, George. It is. It's awful, isn't it? So, oh no. Anyway, tidy up. So that's the before shot, and he's the after. Well, there it is. All done. Just letting the dust settle. Tools all sorted. Shelves all emptied, floor all mopped and swept and hoovered, glaze tubs all sorted out. Just got to clean the pug mill out because it's dried out. So that's it, a couple of hours and we're ready to go.